Jaguar that we have a very strong feature, as I told you, that you can generate your invoice into a Java code directly by clicking just one button, and it helps you a lot for writing, for recording your invoice and using it further to make changes in your invoice through the code. So it saves a lot of time as you get all your code ready for you. And then we talked about web services, custom web services. And in the web services, I told you that you can use your web services to communicate between different applications. And as we looked like how we can create a web service, and in the course, in our project, if you see in the definitions, in the definitions folder, there was our web services. Here is our web services, and in the web services, as you see, we have defined here custom web service, and we made a class where we write what we want to call to our web service, and we try to call our item card through the web service. So if you see in the source, for our services, custom web service, you will see we called our item card. We created a new item card, and we used this as an instance in the .NET platform, and we made a new web form, and through this web form we try to call our web service. We created a button, and after clicking that button, as I showed you in the application, we have already defined a new item card. After just clicking a button from the web form, you can add a new item card. So let's open our application. Okay, so this was all about our custom web service, and for this custom web services, I told you that you can see all your services right here. If you open up logo project, if you open this logo project and you come to web INF under web content, and you come to services, you will see all the services which are defined for you, and you can see all the list of the services here. So one of the service that we just made was custom web service. You might be wondering about all these other services. Other services, they are all SOAP based services, and these are all Jaguar web services. These are already defined. When you import the Jaguar set, you will get all these web services already made for you, and these services are useful for many functions that we do, like we have batch web services, and we have data exchange web services, and we have reporting web services. So these services, we use these reporting web services and data batch services oftenly in our projects, and it is all ready for you. It comes with the Jaguar set, and I will give you one example of this Jaguar web services, and I will try to show you something like if you can see here, let's see in English what I'm talking about, reports. You can easily generate a report for any of your invoice through Jaguar. So like if you have any of suppose let's see, maybe sales management, and I have created one example for you. these are the fields that you want to include in your report. You enter here all your fields that you want to generate, and if you click on start here, so you need to enter the records first. If you enter the record, your report will be generated. Reports, and in this we don't have anything defined yet to create a report, as this is our custom project, course project. So generally we have all these reports under every module. If you see here, demand delivery report, and you have all these fields what you want in your report here. So you can simply do print filters. Also you can get your filters also in the report if you want, and if you click start, you will get all your reports here. What we trying to do with this web service is, like, reporting web service is generally made to get your reports that you are generating through Jaguar and download that reports into PDF format. What this is going to do is, if you see, this reporting web service, and this is already defined web service. So if we go in the .NET platform for this, I can show you an example of this reporting page. You can see this is my all the web services that I told you about. This is custom web service. This is data exchange web service page. If you see here, this is the code behind data exchange web service, and we created this buttons, and inside these buttons we are calling different functionality, like this is reading, and we are calling item here. And let's check the reporting page. This is our reporting page is gonna look like. This is the browser page, the design, how it's gonna look like. And I've created two buttons here to get the filters and to execute reports. And if I double click on this, you will get the code for this, and you can see here that we are trying to generate a report for our item list. You can just enter the name of the invoice or any of your module that you want to generate a report for, and you will get the report for this in this code, like this button 2. Okay, let's try to run this, and I will show you how it's working on behind. And I run this, and this is how my browser is gonna look. I press execute report, and when I press execute report, what is it's doing, as I told you, it converts this report, it fetches this report from the Jaguar platform, and it gives you a URL after creating a PDF file out of that report. So what you need to do is just copy this URL that your report has generated, and just paste this on your browser. Open this, and here you go. This is your PDF file. This will ask for your password, so this is the same password that we try to log in with Jaguar, and that's your report. That's the report which is going to be generated in the PDF format. You can download this, and you can save this report, and you can send it to your customer or save it for your record, whatever you want to do with. So that's how you can work with a reporting web services. All these web services are very useful to have something from outside your platform. These are all SOAP based web services. Remember that these are all Jaguar web services are made on SOAP based web services. We also have REST services, REST based web services, RESTful web services, And if you want details in that, please let us know. I will send you an English document for that, as it is in progress, and I will make soon that English page for you guys, and I will share that RESTful web services document with you also. Okay, so I showed you, I have already shared some links for the support, but I would like to show you some important links that we have for the support. Like, this is almost the end of our training, and we covered almost all the points, the main points that I wanted to show you, but there are some maybe more points you will get better understanding through our documents and all the recordings and the videos that I've shared you with. So to start with, this is the best place that I can recommend you: docs.logo.com.tr. This is both in English and Turkish, so if you press on English, just come to Jaguar customization tool, and you will see all the documents, right from installation to upgrade, adding a source file that we did in the first day. Everything is inside this documents. It's ready for you, like in the written format. If you want to, like, working with LPT, if you click here, you get like how to create a menu, how you can create a view, tables, query, custom browser, everything. Just click on it and everything is there with the snapshots. So it's gonna help you a lot while developing a project and understanding the concepts. And sorry, as I told you about today, we talked about some web services. So this was the web services, creating custom web service. So you can see the document here also, and you can go on making your own web service when you have your license keys with you, and when you're authorized to make a project in LPT, you're authorized to download a set of Jaguar. So for this, just go through these documents, and this might help you in every way, but we are always there to support you. And just let us know any queries that you have. And also, I want to introduce this platform to you that our support team is generally using for our international market. It's called inthelpdesk.logo.com.tr. I will be trying to make authorized user for you guys for this, so that it's easy for you to generate tickets in this and easily just reach us with your issues. So we generally that's the email that we use. This is for Java side. So as you can see here, this is the dashboard and this is the home, and you get all the records of your tickets here. So I would recommend you guys to use this platform for all your issues that you have, and when you have your users for this platform, I would appreciate you to use this platform, as it maintains a record for us as well about the tickets and about the issues, and how's the progress going with your tickets. So you can look, all these tickets has been generated here. Okay, so yes, one more thing. If you see here in the training, there is LPT technical training schedule that we followed. This is the whole schedule that we followed in these 3 days, and this is project development guide. In this guide, this is one page, and you can see all these videos, short videos again, like building project. And if you open this, it leads you to our YouTube channel, and it will give you like the detail about how you can do this. So you can use this. Okay, so use this project development guide. You can watch these short videos and take help from them, and just go on with your process. Also, there is a link for you here, downloads. In this download link, you can have the presentation for LPT that we did, and I will be sharing this link with you as well, and this links will contain all the sample projects for which are made using LPT. We used one of this project to have this training, which was course management project. We use this project. You can download these projects from here. You can directly import these projects, and you will directly you can use these projects for your help, for your preference. Okay, so that's all for our training. So thank you so much for watching, and do let us know your queries, and do watch all the videos, and do not forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel. I want to show you our YouTube channel, where you can find all your logo international support. In this you can find all your videos, all our videos, and everything is inside this YouTube channel to support you, all the recordings and everything. So do subscribe. Thank you so much again.